look relevant. But anyways, as y'all see by the title, I am doing the Aztec clay mask on my hair. I am so scared. I don't know what it's gonna do to my hair, but people have good results with this clay mask. People say that it brings their curls back to life, but we really gonna see like what this clay mask do. Please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on. Stay tuned to this video. Peace.
Guys, so I'll be using 4 items today, which is a plastic bowl and a plastic knife, and Aztec healing clay mask, and apple cider vinegar. Make sure you don't use any metal because that can interfere with the Aztec mask. The first thing I'll be adding today is the Aztec healing clay mask. I put a lot because you know my head is very big. Next thing, I'll be adding the apple cider vinegar. I put the same amount as I would for the clay mask because I want it to have a good texture, as you guys can see. Oh, your girl had to come in with some gloves. I don't feel like making so much mess, having all that mask on my hands. But the first thing I'll need is a hair water spray just to like damp my hair. But first off, I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts to make sure that I get every part of my hair. As you guys can see, I am damping my hair right now just because it's easier to put the clay mask on my head. People say that it's easier doing it dry, but no thank you. Simply added a generous amount on my first part, just working my way from the tips to the roots. You want to make sure you coat every strand of your hair just because like that is the only way the mask is really gonna work and revamp all your curls. Only that, the Aztec healing clay mask is also a cleanser. It will lift any buildup product in your hair from your tip to your root, all of that. So make sure you get it all the way through, okay? Believe it or not, I actually finished the whole thing. So I'll be making a little bit more just so I can add at the top of my hair, making sure that each strand gets this clay mask. Whew, I am finally done. Hey, look at that. Inches. Ooh, yo, girl. So I will also be applying the mask on my face just because, you know, like, why not pamper myself? And not only that, this is very good for the skin. Like, it will deep clean your pores.
So basically, I'm just waiting till my hair dries for 15 minutes. And after I rinse out my hair, I'm gonna be using that As I Am co-wash, just cause like I don't want no leftover clay on my head. I'm scared for me life, like I said. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a cap, and I'll get right with y'all.
I'm back, guys. So I'm finally gonna rinse out my hair. My hair was so hard, like this mask made my hair so hard, but just thank God, like my hair is finally free.
A few moments later.
Oh, look at my hair. Yo, my curls are literally popping like they never popped before. My curls are so beautiful. This clay mask work. Like it's more defined. Like my curls are more defined. Look at that. Yo. But y'all, this turned out good. Good results. I recommend that you try this no matter what. If you have low porosity, high porosity, whatever, girl, go do this right now because your curls are gonna be popping right now. Go do it right now. But first thing, like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.